Hello viewers. In today's world where everything is being increasingly dominated by technology, the movie that we'll be discussing today explores the emotional void left when machines try to replace human relationships. Today, we'll experience it through the eyes of a young girl whose profound questions are raised about authenticity, isolation, and the irreplaceable value of human connection. The 1992 movie, The Cybernetic Grandma, is a stop-motion animated film directed by Ternka, bleeding science fiction, horror, and deep societal critique. The film follows a young girl whose parents are absent and who's introduced by a cybernetic grandmother, essentially a sentient chair with artificial intelligence. The robot grandma tries to take the place of a real one by telling the girl of a creepy fairy tale, making her so scared she hides. But when the real grandma shows up, she turns off the robot and brings back the warmth and love of a human can give. This contrast really shows how technology might try to replace real connections, but just can't match the emotional depth of human care. This film critiques the growing role of machines in caregiving and personal relationships, especially in the context of 1960s technological advancements. Ternka uses this narrative to highlight the coldness of mechanical substitutes and the irreplaceable value of human warmth and care. The use of stop-motion animation and eerie voice of the cybernetic grandma adds to the film's unsettling atmosphere, amplifying its themes of alienation and emotional isolation. What makes the film particularly impact of its perspective, a child's point of view. The choice emphasizes innocence, vulnerability, and the discomfort the children might face when faced with the complexities of technology and authority. The young girl's interactions with the robotic grandma highlight a loss of authenticity in both relationships and art, tapping into fears about a future where machines take over real human connections. The Cybernetic Grandma was received with mixed reactions. While some admired its innovative animation and thematic depth, others found the film's realism and unsettling portrayal of technology threatening. Regardless of the film is seen as a powerful exploration of emotional consequences of mechanism, raising critical questions about technology's place in our lives and the importance of authentic human interaction. So, I hope you enjoyed the discussion. Please like and share the video and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and this is David, and have a good day.